Hey, it's Adam from SureContact, and in this video, I wanted to show you how you can insert variables into the emails that you send out, including the unsubscribe link. So a variable is, for example, the contact's first name and last name or email address or whatever data that you have stored for a contact. But also a variable would be the link to unsubscribe. That is a requirement to go out when you send emails. Now, we also, if you've noticed, you click on campaigns, you click on marketplace, we have some email templates that we've created. Let me go and preview one of them right here. When I scroll down, you can see we've already added this unsubscribe link to the emails that are inside of the marketplace for you to use. But you might be designing your own emails. Now, I want to show you how you can add those variables. So there's two styles of emails. There's one using the email builder that we provide, and the other is just rich text. So I'm going to show you both ways. So I'll click on email templates, and here's an email template that I've already created. And this is using the email builder. You can see I've created it, but I haven't designed anything in there. You would simply add the text element anywhere you want in the email that you're designing. And then you'll want to click into the actual text. So you can see I'm clicked in there. Let me actually clear out what's there. And you'll see this little styling toolbar right here for your text. But if you also notice all the way off to the right, there's the @ symbol. And when you click on this, this is where you can insert the list of variables. And when you scroll through this, you'll see the variables: email, first name, last name, full name, phone, everything that you have for that contact. But when I scroll all the way down, you're also going to see the unsubscribe URL. And when you click on this, it gets added. Now you would change the formatting to be how you want. So I can take the bold away. I can italicize it. I can add some text to the front. I can also adjust the size right here. So if I wanted it to be extra small, all your stylings right here. But this is how you would add the variable, including the unsubscribe URL. So let me now show you how you can do this when you're using the rich text editor. So where you would come in contact with that is when you're setting up a campaign to send out. Here is one. I've chosen the rich text editor already. Let me click on edit and then delete everything. So this is where you would type your email. And at the very bottom, you would want to put this unsubscribe link. It's the very same. There's the @ symbol right here. And you can see a list of the different variables that are available. And when you scroll all the way down, you'll see the unsubscribe URL right there. So what happens is now when you send this email, if the recipient does want to unsubscribe, they'll click on the link. It's going to take them to select a reason why, and then they'll be unsubscribed.